Salman Khan, Rashmika Mandana, welcome to CNN News 18.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Salman sir, you've been now acting for more than 30 years.
Yeah.
More than 35 years now. How do you feel ahead of a film release? Do you still get butterflies in the stomach?
I'll tell you seriously, right from my first film, I don't know if that was quite a while back, so I don't know if I actually felt the pressure of a film releasing, because I, at that point in time, never wanted to be an actor, I wanted to be a director. So if this side of my career did not work well, I would have, gone back to direction. And then that would have been a struggle. And that, at that given point in time, I would have definitely gotten nervous and, wanting the film to do well and, been jittery and excited as well. So that, if I was a director, because that's what I want to do, so it would have happened there. But as an actor, I mean, God has given me so much. That first film there, which I thought should not do well, that also did well. And then after that, Maine Pyar Kiya, and after Maine Pyar Kiya, there was, I mean, I've never, turned back and looked around. I mean, when people say his film is not done well, they cross 100. So, I mean, I wish that everyone, films don't do, if they don't do well, they should cross 100. So yeah, I've been blessed. I've been fortunate. So I don't get nervous on a film release, but I do get nervous when I'm doing a concert.
Really?
Yeah. When I'm doing a show, I do get nervous. I did get nervous when I was doing Das Kadam, because then that is my real personality, big boss. Because I don't go by scripted lines or anything. Like right now, I'm doing this interview, and what I say can be misunderstood or taken in some manner that I've not meant it. So there are things that at times like this, yes, I do get, but not on a film release. Okay, because वो सवाल जवाब, okay, वो तो एक, पर वहाँ से वो कोई स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग तो है ही नहीं. What you're thinking is how you're reacting is the onus on to you. So that if this show comes on television and people don't like my personality, then what?
But then you're talking about concert. Do you also prepare a special walk for your concerts each time?
No, I just I walk. I walk. This is the way I walk. I mean, I've been walking like this since the time.
Movies are generally
I was-
plan a special entry for them when they go on stage. No special.
I'm backstage. कभी कभी वो ऊपर टंगा देते हैं, फिर वो कहीं यहाँ से निकाल के लेके आते हैं. So I find it थोड़ा सा tiresome.
Rashmika, how satisfying, creatively satisfying was this experience for you while working on Sikandar? And how comfortable are you with Hindi?
अब ये खुद की क्या तारीफ करेगी? चलो.
No, as in, like, it's easy to pick up a language when you live in the city and when you have people around you speaking the same language. Now, I'm from Karnataka. I grew up in Karnataka, which means my only speaking was Kannada and English because my school was ICSE. Now, I'm living in Hyderabad right now, which means all my assistants, my security, my whole team speaks in Telugu. So for me, I needed to pick up Telugu to converse with them. Now I come to Bombay for work. You give me the lines, I can perfect it. If you make me speak, I can speak Hindi. It's just that I start getting super conscious. So my consciousness is making a mistake, even though when I don't. So I am battling the battles in my head. So, like, if I lived in Bombay or if I choose to live in Bombay, I know I can excel in the language, right?
No, you will not be able to do it. I'll tell you why. Because all your staff is going to be English speaking staff.
That's also true. That's also true. Very, very true. But I feel like it is only right of me to get my lines right because my directors and producers would have trusted me to deliver what I have to. And that much I promise to do.
इसमें एक बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है. वो जो क्वालिटी है वो जो लाइंस कहती है ना, मीन करती है.
Yes.
So she, even though she may not understand Hindi to the fullest, कि अच्छा इस वर्ड का मतलब क्या है, how does this, I mean, how do you say this, जो भी है, वो when she understands the meaning, मायने of the word, she puts in her own personality there.
Well, we saw that in two of the films, Animal and Chava.
Yeah,
It's
she
lovely.
puts in her own character. She means those lines. She's not acting those lines. She's meaning those lines. Now, whether that would be anger, that would be emotion, that would be comedy, she feels it, and that is one of the most important things for an actor to do.
Oh, she's really the lucky mascot today of Bollywood.
Lucky तो नहीं बोलो, hard working. The harder you work, the luckier you get. So बहुत सारे
Actors हैं.
actors हैं.
But you know, you are a superstar, and because I really want to know that, you know,
ये आपके दिमाग में मैं अपने आप को तो कभी ये समझता
well,
हूँ.
you are. But you know, when you
और कुछ लोगों को अच्छा लगता है जो वो कहलाए जाते हैं सुपरस्टार. मुझे तो बिल्कुल पसंद ही नहीं है.
how do you see the world when you look outside the window? Because everybody wants your attention, whoever's around you.
No, not really. Not really. Not really. I go to shoot. I meet my parents. Before going to shoot, I come back and I'm at home. I don't go out anywhere. I have 4-5 friends who come home. They chill with me. पिक्चरों की बात कर लेंगे, बिगमन की बात कर लेंगे. बस यही है.
You know,
People I work with. Yeah.
few days ago, Amir Khan, during a session, they mentioned that, you know, how he recommended your name for Bajrangi Bhaijaan. क्या ये फिल्म भी उन्होंने आपको recommend किया था?
I don't know. But I think he had heard the script, and I think he was busy at that point in time. And yeah, but if he's saying that, then he must have recommended. Yeah, we recommend each other for a lot of things.
What is your big takeaway from Sikandar, and what do you like most about your character?
I accepted to a story like this because it's got such intense emotion. It's got such a lovely storyline. I think that people will see when they go and watch Sikandar. But it's like for a commercial film to have a storyline like this was a very new take, for me at least, with the stories that I've heard. So I feel like a big takeaway from Sikandar, not for me but for everyone, is that it's a mass film, as our director
film.
and director Murugadas
good-
says. It's a
It's a
lovely
good
film.
film. You'll like it. Emotionless. When they're emotions for somebody else, no, these things really work, I think.
We're looking forward to watching the film. All the best, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.